Hello YouTube, this is me, Jamie M29, and welcome back to another episode of Jammy Plays, and this is the first Jammy Plays video I'm doing for 2017, so without further ado, let's go. So saying it is back in January now, and it's not December anymore, it's not the Subway Surfers Winter Holiday Edition. It is back to Amsterdam, and you can see, you might have seen my high score. Instead of it being 18,000 like it was part 1, I did try this out once and I did end up with 19,000, so I apologise. It's only 1,000 more though, so I think it's okay, and I should be able to beat it possibly by the end of this. See how we go. So I don't have any keys. Do I have any hoverboards? I'm not sure. Yeah, I do. That was a waste of one, but oh well. So I've decided if I do really well in this, I will pause some of it. Just so that this won't be a huge long video for you guys. Yeah, yeah. Trickster on them. Okay, still got 2 hoverboards. So far, so good. Yeah, like I said, hopefully I should be able to beat 19,000 anyway. Whoa! Whoa, that was huge. I don't even know what happened there. You know what? Saying this is my first go and return, the last time I did it was mid-December. I'm doing decently. Oh, yes. Yes, okay. You know what, guys? I'm starting to feel this. Oh, yeah, there are those windmill things. Yeah, I got 3 of those. Oh, nice. Good work. Got the 2 times combo. Keep jumping. Okay, I'm 11,000 off from beating my personal best high score. Man, it would be nice to beat my high score on the first go. So I'm pretty sure I have 0 keys for now. Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh my god, yes! Yes, guys, this is perfect. Oh, I did not mean to do that, but, oh, dang it. Yeah, I have no keys. Oh, no, wouldn't have been close enough. You see, I almost got 20,000. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna go home. Oh, okay. I do have keys. Awards. Collect award. 3 keys. So I'll have 6 because I'm pretty sure I got another one. Yes, I did. You can see my coins is also quite low. 5? So I have 11. Oh, wow. I was not expecting that. Okay, I'm pretty sure there will be pauses in this. Okay. Wait, how long has it been going for? 3 minutes. Okay, here we go, guys. So, I will say pretty good start. Wasn't too far away. So, I've got 3 hoverboards and I've got 11 keys. But I don't think I'm going to be able to use all of them. Random flick. Okay, we'll see. Also, if you remember from part 1, I had this flick problem. And yes, I will say this is still a little bit laggy, but that's okay. I can fight through the pain. And go. Yeah, start 2017 off well with a new high score. Possibly. Double coins. Nice. That is just what I want. Bonus points. And flick. Yeah, come on. Continue those double coins. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to use a hoverboard when I get to around 10,000 away from my high score. So where it says top run, when it gets 10,000, currently it's on 15,000, I'll use my hoverboard. Dude. Oh. Oh. It was odd. Okay. 14,000. Yeah. Oh god. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh my god, that was so close. What's with me going really high? Oh, okay. 13,000. Come on, give me a power up. Yeah. Got me 2 times combo. Okay, I'm gonna play safe. I'm just going in the middle. Ah! Ah! You know what? I'll just use a hoverboard now. Coin magnet. That's just what I need. Here we go. And flick. Flick. Yes. Oh, jetpack. Yes. Guys, I think this I could be on for a high score. Do 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 do. Okay, just under 8,000. Wait, guys. What I'm gonna do now? I'm actually gonna pause the video, and so when I come back, I'll see you guys, and we'll see how I go. And guys, I'm back. I ended up with 30,252. Oh man, like while I was playing, I was going like hard out as. I got to use 6 of my keys, and I was gonna resume, but then, like, man, I was just going really quick, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not sure if I'll have time to recover when I resume. So, sorry guys, but I got to 30,000. Yes, I will take that. New high score. So now we're gonna go again. I have 5 keys. Oh, that was a good round. That was a good round. I did end up with 1 jetpack, which is good. And it was quite laggy as well. And it is a little bit as well right now. But a good start 2017, I reckon, for me. Getting a new high score. Oh, wow, I kind of paused. I was like, what? Lumberjack ride. Nice. Just like give you lots of bonus points. Oh, I should have bought some hoverboards. I'll do that next round. Oh, key. Yeah. Yeah, no hoverboard. That sucks. Okay. Hopefully I can still do this. Give me that combo, yeah. Oh man. Man, if you rewind to that sound was weird. Okay. 25,000 off. Come on. No hoverboards. Okay, when I get to 20,000, when I get to 18,000, let's make it, I'll pause and then continue. Oh, I could have ducked that, but I got the super sneakers. Okay, 22,000. Do. Oh, laggy. Ah, I just predicted that thingy-mabob was there. Oh my gosh. Flick. Yes. Ow. Oh, dang it. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh, once I do this jetpack, I'll pause again. No. Oh, dang it. Okay, I'll pause now. Okay, see you guys. Okay, guys, I actually didn't take me long to die again, so I got 18,934. Okay, we're gonna go again now. This will be my last go. I haven't had as many goes as I did in part 1 because I've been doing a lot better. Yeah, I have had the assistance with keys, I will admit that. Okay, when I get to... Oh, dang, forgot to get a hoverboard. Oh, when I get 20... Oh, what? That kind of lagged out, I will admit that. But this round's not going well. What? I win. What is with this? Oh my god. Okay, guys, that was weird. I don't think I need to pause now. Huh. Oh, battery warning. Oh. Okay. I'll pause that. Something weird's happened. Okay, guys, that battery warning. Something was up. I don't know. Okay. Oh man. Do 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 do. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Do 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 do. Jump it! Yeah! Oh, what? No! No! Oh my gosh! I almost died. I have a feeling this one isn't going to be a new high score. No! No! I was distracted by the windmill. Oh, close that. Oh well, guys, that will wrap up the second Jammy Plays part for Subway Surfers. I hope you all enjoyed. This was the 2017 opening, and I decided to do part 2 for this episode for a reason, because like, this was of course my first ever Jammy Plays Let's Play. Jammy Plays Let's Play, yo. But anyway, I got a new high score of 30,000. That's a nice way to start off 2017. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed. And I'll see you next time for another episode of Jammy Plays. Take care. Goodbye.